It came in some questions about my car. This one is basically a Ford Taunus Cube 1600L 1975. And I have owned the car since 1989. But I kind of changed that in the early 90s. I replaced the engine to a 2.8 V6 column with some modifications. I have put in an expansion whistle. The engine comes from a Ford Granada 2.8 1980. The cooler is renovated, new cells. I also have put in 2 electric fans. Works great to cool the engine. The intake is from a column 2.6 V6 and the carburetor is a Weber 3838. So, no injection here. I will keep it simple, as this car was built from the beginning. By the way, the 5-speed gearbox is from a Sierra 2.0, early one. I don't regret my choice for 2.8 V6, but it's easy to build back to the 1600 engine again, if I want to, but no way, my choice remains. Like or follow if you want to. See you down the road.